Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to plan a route on Google Maps in 2026. So whether you're driving, walking, or planning a trip, this will help you get the fastest and easiest route. First, open Google Maps on your phone or computer. Both versions work fine, but the layout is slightly different. Next, click the directions button, then enter your starting point and destination. You can also just type the destination and let Google guess your current location. Now select your travel mode: driving, walking, cycling, or public transport. This part changes the whole route based on how you're traveling. Google Maps will show you multiple route options. Usually it highlights the fastest one in blue and alternative routes in gray. If you need to stop somewhere along the way, click Add Stop and insert extra locations. This is really helpful for road trips or deliveries. You can also click and drag the route to avoid tolls, highways, or traffic-heavy areas. So you're not stuck with just one option. Once you're happy with the route, you can save it or share it with someone using the Share button. Finally, tap Start to begin turn-by-turn navigation. Google Maps will guide you in real time with voice directions. So that's how to plan a route on Google Maps in 2026. Once you get used to it, it becomes really quick and super useful for everyday travel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.